the most urgent wild hunt. Get ready for some deep forest hunting moments. These fast, powerful, and dangerous preys are hidden deep in the forest. Follow the brave hunters. You will witness every chase, every decisive shot. Don't take your eyes off the screen, because the most dramatic moments are waiting ahead. This is a wild boar hunting experience not to be missed. In close range, the hunter has discovered a herd of wild boars moving. He shows up waiting for the perfect opportunity to act. A precise shot can decide everything. Two wild boars are ready to rush into the trash. But before we were in danger, the hunters quickly took action, finishing them off in a jiffy. The veteran craftsman hunted from a distance, using his guns with great precision. Did the friendly wild boar escape his sight? All will be revealed soon. A herd of wild boars accidentally entered the hunter's shooting range. With just a single gun, it was quickly taken down. Dramatic scenes like this will make you feel. In the middle of the forest and stream, every step of the hunter must be careful. The smallest mistake can also carry out all plans. Let's watch. Will he be able to keep his cool to complete the decision to shoot? The wild boar is not only a prey, but also a classy opponent. With its strength and survival instinct to hunt, every eyebrow is a life and death challenge. Let's wait and see if the hunter's skills and degradation can overcome the wild instinct of this animal. Get ready for the most aggressive moments. A wild boar is charging straight at the hunter at terrifying speed. This is the only chance. Shoot or miss forever. Strong forest winds, shower terrain, and long distance make the shot extremely difficult. The hunter must adjust every breath, every hearing to achieve absolute precision. Every rustling sound of the leaves in the forest, every dry branch being forged could be a sign of a wild boar nearby. Tension rises with each second as the hunter carefully approaches the target. The chase is reaching its climax. The hunter must maintain his composure and make a split-second decision so as not to miss the precious opportunity. Through fighting and clever use of the terrain, the hunter has established an intelligent position. This is precisely for the shot that will be the culmination of the entire process. The moment of resolution has been determined. As the wild boar charged with incredible force, the hunter had only a few seconds to turn the situation around. Can he overcome this challenge? With the previous non-transition moves, the wild boars put the hunter to the ultimate test. This was not only an exciting battle between humans, but also a test of courage and skill. The jungle hunt was full of moving cams, but the images and emotions still resonated. Please click like and follow to not miss any future hunting races. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next actions.